come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will.
Sister, good evening. Good evening. Now, what to say? You say the one way. Patrol, me rather check your BP number. See, patrol, no more Sarah. Right. Patrol, files on it. Say you'll be pinning so next week I can remember the rest of you will be pinning my pushing that's
yes. Opoku. Where is Adams?
Where is one?
Scanty.
Scanty.
Did he come and see me?
I'm sitting here, you are asking of Scanty. Huh? I donated my blood to you. You wake up, you are asking of Scanty what I sleep here with you.
I want to know. I want to know that he came to look for me.
Precious, you are you okay? Huh? Oh, yare, my whom mobile bed donating me blood amawa. Oh, what it's here? First person I'll be saying is Scanty. Wabra me what I have my solid.
Calm down. I know you also know well. Calm down.
Now, Scanty is a cold dream on one. It think all my baby. Say Scanty dream on one, call my chin mojamo. Huh? Me ma chumojamo, my double the audio. Share, Precious, I dear woman, no say, me head down. Hey, Madam Nurse! Madam Nurse! Me patch all my ah, what's that? Oh, one for one Opoku.
Boss, Patrol, me take some more friends, Patrol Kabibia.
Aye, Madam Brother, Mr. Wa, me mujana muchema gay. Whatever my moon to me, I reverse it. Munchema dance.
Patrol, I didn't see.
The best again, the meat, middle. What are much matter, Mamma?
Boss Patrol, energy and a medium Ukraine, you do money and any side.
Ah, Madam, Nipola think what I'm chimney, what I want to say.
Oh, Patrol ain't me any time, Mr. Baby, any anya, but try me, Patrol.
And what I want on,
Mr. Yabatry.
Come on, Madam.
Mr. Yes, I saw Gina with Patrol.
Someone chimney, what I
your neighbors, your clients now can. Oh, yes, I know how Mr. Yes, I just am a fresh with my neighbor.
Me Patrol soon have
oh, okay, don't
security to come and take one.
Bam Patrol, and media France Patrol betting me a piano.
Me
yes, I will be him make over him for patience, me Patrol.
Madam,
Mr.
Saman Chimney Mojawaha, Neba, Saman Chimney Mojawaha, Upia one time, Yama Chimney.
And you should be end to me.
You do not go to them, Patrol. Me not now, Mama, they are security, my family.
Security, me Patrol. Me Patrol. Ah, Mr. We uncle.
Me will 2 weeks. The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya.
Madam, Patrol say you are be coffee. Today we hear say and Brunei the man. Obetwa so na se ni teacher so obefa no afa ne saa my why is true show musu ye na wan samba bi why actually tino ye dru anim hono ma me yi won sana ma se se de obetimi abisa ma Yes.
Number 2, once I'm back check up, yeah, it's a 3 days
I'll
time.
be review in a week time.
Every time.
Maybe I'll be in the card the mama wants. See you do on man. Now, trauma. Why?
And I don't know so. Obey me the baby. I be at the obeying the only no so catch.
Oh, my canning natural. Obey your quadri some pharmacist neck and natural. But sure say. Your back woman was say we did we and sana one and I obey the 30 minutes time and sana wafa. Meaning our cash, but should you super pay my away? Yes, sure. Simple assembly.
Oh, this area assembly and until.
It's going to be there. It shall be there.
I don't need the insurance card no cover. Can I can meet you?
Oh, you drew on my Yajama card, I can go on so I know the kind of much beer. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you are welcome. To be the end of the administration.
Okay.
To move to a man rent you may my wife.
Okay.
Nice to know the Akali.
Oh, I can be. Oh, to it. You say, I can I waste this world. There was so much my job into a better watch. I'll find your share in this room. Okay. Then you patch on my call.
Okay. That's
Oh,
So should you guys get a car like a taxi or something?
yeah, you pick some. No, the
Okay.
tricycle. We don't have money now. So I want to pick that 3 tricycle.
Oh.
Yeah, when you have to pick a taxi,
Yeah.
you know.
Okay.
But I hope you are okay. You are very strong now.
But I don't think I can walk unless you carry me.
Then they were not supposed to discharge you. If you can't
I
walk,
think I'm fine, but I have to go to school too.
okay, don't worry. Maybe I'll talk to them. They can give us some of their wheelchairs so that you'll be using
I
it on
can walk,
campus.
but not so much.
I'll carry on my back. Okay. So let's go. Dennis,
Is this all?
Thank you. Take your time.
Yeah, me pen I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh,
say you to school card already credit you.
Boy, see me crash. But anyway, I say, oh,
Sound.
say precious we na teacher no fair last time near can only pan say.
Okay.
The boy no crying.
Me a single cell ntino. I am me muja.
Na say black and can also me match man.
Sa.
Don't alive it.
Obi.
Opoku. Chale ka say won ni ka say so you na oto.
Obi.
Are you moja we anti me ka say.
Around here. Obi. The life is saying I am Jano. Life is saying kasa no cause you fear. Life is saying I am Jano.
E bia no so na mfa no.
Nipa kasa nipa was won fear. I ti say pantry boy dem ya kasa nipa won fear now. What does it? Boy me dem me also.
Relax man watching moja
bia
bia
me also.
Don't know live. Kasa me say wan kasa wa ko me pe na aka me ti an so be so be kasa me wana. Yo. Boy, that's something way. I see here, boys. We need to have it now. After that, I want to. Me pen am can so me so me feel. Uni mood. Achimoja say na be do bi go for ya achimoja manu. Eh, utumi anu adani mu. Asami wona jare wo ya ba wa pa na tana na kata. I'm back as a don't.
And we try bet na India.
You need you watch me down by the power and mean
I don't think I'm a man say if you hospital my quite for you.
Opoku.
Oh,
Opoku.
that's what I found. Fine.
Okay, Opoku.
What more can I feel away?
What you more German nipa no hospital ye you know me the nature say ye you know ye see na e ba no so we you ni.
Oh, Oh, for Opoku. Oh.
I don't need to be any my job.
I won't feel me. That's what I sound feeling.
Opoku, won't you mind me?
Aye.
The Scanty why in baby.
Tabio, Nipan can't treat more German until so who no crown or Samuel Cranker when he just say, why okay?
Scanty, I want to go and lie down. Let's go.
Opoku. Yo.
Baby, let's go.
We need bebo. Hey.
The power bet na aka sound well feel no kwa dey wu su dey ah. Nwe. Opoku. Hey. Say na be dey am say we be how me feel be mo. Yo. Who feel me? Yeah, shit. Next time.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me a me broso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months I drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me a me broso drum me ya. Me pesa me come any months we me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah.
Now I want to say, I think that's what he did, sir. And now, who donated blood? We have some home. Say me okay. Mad.
So then now we are so painful.
I mean, it's a moja home.
Na moja wo me wa me ni ase na wo be fi.
And then you want to make it.
Bogu, how are you?
Tell I'm okay.
Have you seen Precious around? Precious.
I don't want to find.
Say na me a ubisa me say you want them guess you want them me no na one. Guess who still want them wo. Me na ubisa say get Precious are fine.
It's okay, Oseki. There's no need to argue over this. We just came here to show appreciation for what you did for Precious during the time she was on the sick bed. You did well, so we've come to thank you for your kind gesture during that time. Thank you very much.
Say me I said that we ready. The answer no what on we. I feel now thank you.
So I said that the who here you need to yard your side.
Men man na masimu na yakopon ase say get no what on. No ahoto na na ehia. Say the be o sabe be jana na so. But me dear, me my na me so adwuma ti ase da ni na mo fama papa.
I was saying, I'm so glad you why you. Now, Sunipa, yeah, dear, or say, what I say, it's any perfume, yes, you do was no, my day. I told you.
Are you sure all is well?
I'm okay.
Are you not hiding anything from us?
I'm okay.
Okay, you know what? Anytime I remember what you did, it sends shivers down my spine. In fact, you've really done well. Thank you very much on behalf of Precious. Okay.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
It's my pressure.
It's what?
My pressure.
No. We don't say pressure. It's your pleasure. Say it.
It's my pleasure.
Pleasure.
Yeah. Pleasure.
Yes. The pleasure is mine as well.
Opoku, you okay?
Say, what questions cry too much? Obi a wo ya dwuma sick be asa obuti questions be sa o cheche no kura busa ne de we twaso.
Opoku na so him say we nurse, we student nurse on the shemo. And so busa about your well-being, you know why you should be angry.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm okay.
Okay. Then let's go. If he says it's okay.
I will be calm.
Okay,
Precious, if Precious is okay, we are okay. So the Thanksgiving is the God. So we are okay.
Okay, so in case you see Precious, tell her we came to look for her.
Let me learn fan crama me.
Opoku do you mean say?
Ah,
I don't know do asem school one man.
me no be any asem but see bra yo.
E dey near ya.
Chechire ni ya so tell the interest.
No. Next, I think Opoku is hiding something from us.
Oh, me okay.
Be and at least you can share your grievances with us.
Me okay.
Be and how? Huh?
So they maybe fancy for example.
Yeah.
Say say bia obi hia emwa. Say bia.
Yeah.
But they say wo yo chire ni. Say bia wo wa twere note bi. Na bia teacher ni ba ko ntwere bi. No hia mwa na wo di note mana. Ana say wo ti note ni bi na man. Ne be wi ase no. O meda wo ase o. Na ko da headmaster ase a. Aseme na be ka chiri bakron.
Oh, for that one ye. Me ninji kura. Me.
Nipa na anya de. Oh, nipa na anya de.
Opoku, you are speaking to me in parables. Ubumbe, e dia sempa ne ho.
Say asembia ni ho na wi ase ankasa de. Beda yi ni sumi na so.
Beda yi ni sumi na so, which means why papa bia mo bi. Na nipa ni you boni aye. So tell us, I'm your teacher. Huh? I have the listening ear, so tell me whatever the problem is. Then we solve.
Precious oba no.
Oh, ono me konse say, the precious dey say me yonko no na ka me pena se ma se ka me ni
So what is your
me man moja. Ah?
Oh, ni gain.
Oh, ene bibia say am.
Anyway, oni e ma no o milo ne o milk ne o so ono bibia kama
Oh, no bi atwi moja 1 gallon I say. Mama ni milo satisfied. Ah?
Hey, eno ne
1 gallon say mama ni milo satisfied. Na milo satisfied say me dey here.
Omutwe muja 1 gallon.
Say 1 gallon.
And then you are leaving. Aje na utwa trust Opoku. Obi oku obi ayi obi amuja odonate here. Who donate 1 gallon and you are still sitting. By now you would have been a dead person. Men kasa asem no. Huh?
Yes, pa. It be ni papa. Papa ya bo papa.
Again you are speaking in parables.
Nipa na hu nwi o.
Who has been ungrateful to you?
Nipa ya bo abone.
Nipa ya bo abone. Yes, I do understand. Nipa nye me no miri na yenye na so ka dey how say ne ma wanu yi. Next, say on can't say the empenye see we ya no one feel sia obi who I think say we have to go. So see you.
Okay. You go to the tree. Why?
Hey yo. Say, could you believe say
there is somebody catching me?
Ada wo beto to man.
Baby, say bibi o hon ma. Meet me aboa wo.
Hey yo.
Hey. Ana Opoku nya broken heart.
Yeah, hey.
Say black try me why me ba. Try me.
Mike, they say the American no. See that say if hospital buy you now, why slow like I know how say me mobo. I say precious. Ono ankasa kra no ono ankasa hu say bibi etimi na say me who stand me nche. Like who ankasa who share no Seer campus a go dem nche no. Gary on. Gary on.
Person ki chira no. Oh, you donyame. The person chira ni o me mani hu say. Yo buy entichi a wo sa o. Ah, na sama on command ni kodi e komo be e wo so ono no mani bufu ma attitude. Hwe. Wo chiwo. And I guess no mo chi omo no mo sa guess no kwa na comedy omo mo mi donyame. Sa guess no mo chi omo comedy omo tu. Hwe. Don't forget to know about you see me who the yen there. Yen yan man you want answer there.
Hey, that be Mike. When they drop precious on that's on okay.
I get your pen on.
Why basa? Why you no come into me venue?
You see, I said, yeah, okay, the house you can, then I say, yeah, you.
Oba any na.
Only baby. For the upper Kokoko. Baston, I mean, me Jano. Kokoko, but I mean, Jano. Again, me Jano too.
When I see me in a Kokoko.
So, one I call Kokoko.
You mean in an incident, national like Yaman Bramwood.
Maybe I'm not going for crime. I said, forget Kokoko, no, I lobby, Yala, be so get no feeling the Kokoko, and the dog, Abigail. What I say? Okoko, so in the wild there. By this time, I didn't just have mistake. Yes, I mistake. I bet send you woman. Sure. About who be a man as I was saying for Maza, a bemo brew. Other, I am some Mukwana doing to the man. Some use margin my debate, me no, brave, broken heart, we are not doing. I don't see me. Any Akasami, she said you might talk, so I may not never plan you. You must share you man at all, so Sanamity. Young 50 anima bail. Very too much. Too much. Yeah, get 9% go woo free, I say. I'm only so imagine too much. Guess no money you so imagine too much. Yes, all the kitchen and watch so. Eba. Nanka what to Nanka one or Bebe Panacho. And I knew na de na dane. Sanity. Forget Tiny Adams. You see, I didn't catch and said the cockron. Wrong, but I'm going to details. In some person, no me no corner, no casa. Oh, no, why a casa nina, sir? I'm looking come out, as penny. Why? Huh? I don't just say you school with the agnes to so. Share the agnes to from Adrian. Me say, cockroach again, shen one cook run some cockroach on a cake. Just a mammy cachono. Shenny Ben with a cockroach, my own so you're sorry, yeah, the other day. One said, I said, oh, yes, sir, I was asked, you know, cockroach chrono, but men quite my name brosso. Quite my brosso, the other jowl. Catch you, me jowl. Around morning now. Nkole mate me woda me kwa me ko so wo le se me kan bibia o ko de me ko me o ge ni mi dwa no hwe sa o ge kokko ni mi dwa ni tu
Brother James. Oh, Brother James, I'm calling you. What is this? Aroma. Brother James.
What name was that? Huh? Did you just call me Aroma?
I thought
you thought what? You thought what? What is it?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you pissed. I thought you couldn't hear me, so I wanted to say something that would trigger you to stop. I'm really sorry. It's like since I came back from the hospital, you've not come to look for me. I was asking whether everything was okay. But why are you frowning? We are not like this. What is this?
How are we?
We are okay.
We are okay. That's what you think. Me taboo to hospital. Huh? You can't say I should come and donate blood for you. Because of you, I bought malt, milk, and milk. Sobolo. I've been drawing. Do you know the kind of food I ate just to get enough blood to donate blood for you?
But you ended up, you are not the one who even donated the blood.
Exactly. Why didn't I do that? Remember the hospital where you asked me where is Scanty? Where was Scanty when you collapsed? That's the question. Where? Hey, woman, don't let me curse you.
But why do you have to get pissed? I was asking about my boyfriend. Why are you making a fuss out of
You're
this?
asking about your boyfriend. Who collapsed here? Where was your boyfriend? Where was he? I was the one. Me, Amala, me. The only me. I took you with these hands to the hospital.
I know you helped me, but why are you angry? I don't even know why you ended up not donating the blood.
When you said that, we didn't name a doctor. No, I told him, say, Omonfa Sobolo Nembo. When I came to the hospital, then you told me, you asked me about Scanty. And when I was like, no, she's for the streets.
Brother James Sobolo.
This girl is for the streets. I asked the doctor, I said, Omonfa Sobolo Nembo. By now, you are dead. She's smiling. She said, she's smiling. She's smiling. I am funny, right? Thank you. Are you done?
It's just how you've positioned your...
Chamber form. Brana Betriko form. I'm not so much form. Mama, and your pastor say by your new year, say, yeah, papa. Or be a young, vibrant, handsome, not so your pastor, yes, or your fraud. Yes, or your fraud. Yes, I have to.
Said you were fraud.
Keep quiet before I slap you.
For you. You slap me. Brother James, you know I'm not feeling well. Why are you doing this?
Are you done talking? Because I want to go. I really want to go.
Why are you acting this way? Like
if you keep laughing, huh? You think I'm joking? That's why you are laughing, right? You came say you resolve the case and you are here laughing because I'm funny, right, honey?
Now you're rhyming.
Johnny. Send me the back on Pastor Ryan. Now that's my new name. But well, I'm telling you, I don't have any connection with you again. I don't want any problem.
Brother James, don't do this. You know you are the only person I look up to in the school. You are the one I come to. You are the one I confide in. Why are you doing this?
You now have a boyfriend, right? Yeah.
I've always had a boyfriend and you've always been there.
I'm no more going to be there. So please, if anything is bothering you, I think you can go to that boyfriend of yours.
I still don't get this. Why are you making but you're not my boyfriend, so why are you arguing?
And I never want to be your boyfriend. So, don't even say that. I never want to be your boyfriend.
God, why are you taking me out? So you can do good to others, but not to me.
Are you done? Because I'm on my way to a funeral. I'm going to see if I can resurrect the person. She think it's funny.
See his shoe. But why is this guy angry? I honestly don't get it. Brother James!
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
You much better than before. Right? My main concern is your medications. Have you been taking the drugs?
Yeah, I have.
Are you sure, Canon?
Yeah, I've been taking them.
Are you sure? Because Precious, for you, I know you like food more than drugs. I know what I'm talking about.
I've been taking the drugs.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Now, are you sure you'll be eating before taking the drug? That one I don't have to ask because you and food.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah. But I'm happy you are recovering. I'm very happy.
You know, you really hurt me after I saw you with Anderson.
Oh, Precious, you are bringing the past again. Calm down. Like, I want to even confess something to you. It's a confession. Yeah, I would say it's a confession.
What confession?
You know, Precious, all this while, what has been going on between me and your friend Anderson, it's a plan work.
You're lying. How is it a plan work?
This is how it started.
Pukune madi ono ema nim say ya na Jimmy nti no Jimmy na etra na okeka nsem oka boys ne nsem an bi pie na wa say ono awia no asa betina ana onim say gay we say kon sa otie say boys stay how boys in common no chire boys stay how na wote una ma na to say na wo na sa na otie o kemi una yan sa na otie say twem say me de rudi common na catch Precious. Oh, no, Chim, no, your dance. Killer. If you say me no didn't come with you. My ya, my own say, you may be on for what dream, mammy. Never be to say, you see, I'm always a Precious on way along. They are away, and so you are away. And see, bro, see, I went before so I bit me the trigger and I bang ye. No, son, a down for no. I be God and I want to show this time around me. Why? Also to tell you, I never run in the did in Komobi. You
say, no, the friendship or no, when they say, not down for boyfriend.
Hey,
Anna,
who feel you?
Say, no, David.
Yes, she said you want to know so.
Won't feel you.
Hey,
down for boyfriend now.
Oh, Okasawa. Miss who feel you? Opa, she said you want to get in so. She said you want to get in so. Me don't yame. Say Precious, beba. Me na me catch you.
Yes, saying, the same. Me tell us who confuse me.
Me say, kope na down for no.
Hey,
who kope? You can't say chero ati wate. Ti de me de ba no. Enne be manyansa. Me say kope na down for no. Ye ho be manager de bia Jimmy se na o ye no. Ye ho be ma. Kope na down for no. Kope na down for na. Enu eni bitima ere. Sa process ni ebo se sa na down for no kwa bi o ya na wonye. Ibu kura mi kase na down for no kwa na she chira o se wa be side wo hu. Ntu pe na down for na. ɛna ebehu nnuama deɛ wom deɛ firi aseɛ nyinaa ba deɛ ama nsɛm wo nyinaa ba nyinaa ebehu ɛbɛsa aboa ama na saa atwe ne ho afiri Aroma kɔma na me ne wo ka no mpato what aseɛ deɛ
ti ase o
wɔne no yɛn hyehyɛ adwuma
na ade so pa ina
ɛnya adeɛ we ɛnya adwuma wo de asɛm na yɛ ka no ma yɛ nka na precious no ho asɛm na wo ka me boa yo gɛ na wo se ma na ne ti o oba kama se pa wo se nyansa de kura na no kura me wa
nti ba sa na me ma gɛ na nya we say like plan work and I say me nko no straight say
ba wa na wajimi o ye nya agronto nkyenya me no nukure ni like wajimi ankasa oko ka che gɛ no say
nti na nko mo wa wo di nya me dem
titi we nya adwuma me amesa wo ase ama wo gewi nya adwuma gɛ no fili dada de nya no so obedi nkomo yo di nkomo yo bro oba fili won fa no ho be hyehyɛ wo oba on fili won fa no ho be hyehyɛ wo da yo ye adwuma no
once of late many pressures once
now entity am na mo
oh but me okay
are you sure
yeah I'm okay
yeah so
once late many pressures once misunderstanding na we things ti chale wa hete me zanti ama my hairstyle bi ti nso me very no once nso uni guy bia o school man so we saying you na eno kra my J na se me count no say no say
my J se be kan dey
so uni guy bia o school mo a na me small so uni guy bi on ti o wa down for your precious na precious
and go straight to the point
I'm going straight here but so ti o kan say me kan no kra na me say me biza na senti me kan wo beti ase
o se kan dey
J. What's me ba me kan what's me nhwe wanim on
right o se kan dey
se me kan trewa o down for precious o se uni boy bia uni guy bia nti enfa na say I come my own your class ni edi agro na me ka se me pe ba beti
what's it there
e bia your class na edi agro na me ka se understand me pe
and it's now bisamita
nya no kwa na me kan my J oh so my
go straight to the point like they all kana my J ade ada how show me Ade.
Ti me my J kura kan no me senka me ka sisia na wanti asia na wa down for precious na nti na wo ye den odo hostel
and miss now friend me
ti my J kura kan na me ka so kura mpo de wo wonte sa unyu obi a
me nti sa say what yes baby fufro and na open me and I say go straight to the point Scanty ade
so no didi nkomo bi na kwa de nyame na nka me be kan nyame na me say my J na say me nkan kire say my J say
unjai my J na won kasa
on kan say me be kan me de nka me yo my J say me nkan kire say me pe o I love you
inti nya my J a wonim say wo pe me
say me so da say me kan
what say that inti wo do obi ani wakoma mu na my J ana na ma say mo wani so sa say wo yan to say ade
na we no kwa me kan ya kan ma o
kan ma sense no dey
so dia grow aka ma na ofa me say
open me ka say me pel ka say me pel
my J say me pel
man ka my J ka say me pel
my J
ka say Anderson me pel che me ni meka ka say Anderson me pel ana me ye kakai usuro me pe ma so we on to say dia we ye oba e dey any ferry she dey o church she ready you unsa me so me pel ba dey o ye no na you unsa
what's it
me so me pel
enya aka ma o
me so me pel so udi agro agro na udi anasa why serious so say aka ma dey say agro
that be my J aka na agro
Ube jai my J dimbo kasama ho na ye be ma Open me. Kasa nese me peo. Kasa. Kane kesi. Kasa nese me peo. Anderson me peo.
Listen.
Miss me peo. Timatias.
Me catch my job.
Hey. We my Jesus me mana wo. We that's why a virgin. We.
This is so hard to believe. How can you tell me the story? But we could have worked things out. You shouldn't have done that.
Precious, you know, the two of us know I tried all my possible best. I tried from different angles, but it couldn't work. You were really hurting my feelings.
But was Anderson part of the plan? Was she aware?
She wasn't part of the plan, but I don't know if she's aware. But I don't think so.
What do you mean by I don't know if she's aware?
I don't know.
Then you have to tell her, cause right now she might be getting attached to you.
Precious, how am I going to tell her? Like, how am I going to tell her this? That it's a plan work.
It's easy. Just tell her it was a plan. How you've been able to tell me it's a plan? So right now, what are you going to do?
I'm not going to take it easy if I tell her. Like, you know, she'll have every right to deal with me in any way that she wants.
Yes, she does. But you have a girlfriend, and this is what she were doing to get me back. So right now, you would either put me aside or put her aside.
Maybe I might put her aside. I'll just step back without telling her anything.
You can't do that. You have to tell her. Even if you don't want to tell her it was a plan, you can just decide to tell her you don't want to do anything with her anymore. But you can't ignore her and expect her to go.
No, I can try my best and tell her I don't want to do anything with her again. It should be over between us.
Yeah,
for that one, I can try.
That. You have to do that because you really hurt me. And I didn't know it was that.
Yeah, Precious, I'm sorry. I didn't even want to tell you. Like, I didn't know how you were going to take it, but because I want us to work things out, I have no option than to tell you. Okay. I hope you're okay with that. But please don't let her know. Don't let her know it's a plan. Maybe I'll find some ways and means to tell her myself.
You have heard you.
Okay.